Welcome to an amazing story about one of the greatest football players in history, Cristiano Ronaldo. His life is a journey of hard work, big dreams, and incredible success. Let's dive into his story, step by step, and see how a little boy from a small town became a legend loved by millions around the world. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, in a small town called Funchal, on Madeira, a beautiful island in Portugal. Ronaldo's full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. His parents gave him the name Ronaldo after Ronald Reagan, a former U.S. president, because his father admired him. Ronaldo's family was not rich, but they were full of love. His father, José Diniz Aveiro, worked as a gardener and a kit man for a local football club. His mother, Maria Dolores, was a cook who worked hard to support the family. Ronaldo grew up in a small house with his older brother, Hugo, and two older sisters, Elma and Katia. Life was simple, but Ronaldo's heart was full of big dreams. Even as a little boy, Ronaldo loved football more than anything else. He played football on the streets with his friends every day, often skipping meals to practice more. When they didn't have a proper football, they used socks, bottles, or anything they could find. Ronaldo's passion for football was clear to everyone who knew him. At the age of 8, Ronaldo joined a small football club called Andorinha. This was the first step in his football journey. His father worked at the club part-time, and Ronaldo often stayed after practice to watch the older players and learn from them. Even at this young age, Ronaldo's speed, skills, and determination made him stand out. People started saying, "This boy is special." Ronaldo had a dream to become the best football player in the world. He practiced day and night, never giving up, even when he was tired. His family believed in him and supported his dream, even though they didn't have much money. His mother worked extra hours to buy him football boots, and his father encouraged him to keep playing. When Ronaldo turned 12, he took a big step in his life. He moved to Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal, to join the Sporting CP Academy, one of the best football schools in the country. This was a very hard decision for Ronaldo because he had to leave his family and live far away from home. He felt lonely and missed his mother, but he knew this was the only way to follow his dream. At the Sporting CP Academy, Ronaldo's talent quickly shone. He trained with boys who were older and bigger than him, but he was fearless. He worked harder than anyone else, always staying after practice to improve his skills. Some of his coaches said they had never seen a boy with so much determination. At the age of 17, Ronaldo played his first professional match for Sporting CP. It was a day to remember. He scored 2 goals and showed the world that he was a rising star. People started talking about the young boy with incredible talent and speed. In 2003, Sporting CP played a friendly match against Manchester United, one of the biggest football teams in the world. Ronaldo played so well that everyone in the stadium couldn't stop watching him. Sir Alex Ferguson, the manager of Manchester United, knew he had to sign this young talent. Later that year, Ronaldo joined Manchester United at just 18 years old. He became the most expensive teenager in football history. At Manchester United, Ronaldo faced many challenges. The football in England was fast, physical, and very competitive. But Ronaldo didn't give up. He trained harder than anyone else, working on his speed, strength, and technique. He also learned from Sir Alex Ferguson, who became like a father figure to him. Ronaldo's hard work paid off. He helped Manchester United win many trophies, including the Premier League and the Champions League. In 2008, he won his first Ballon d'Or, becoming the best football player in the world. In 2009, Ronaldo moved to Real Madrid, one of the most famous football clubs in the world. Real Madrid paid €94 million for him, the highest transfer fee at that time. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo reached new heights. He scored more goals than anyone in the club's history and helped them win many trophies, including 4 Champions League titles. During his time there, he won the Ballon d'Or 4 more times. While Ronaldo was making history with Real Madrid, he was also leading his national team, Portugal. In 2016, Ronaldo captained Portugal to win their first major trophy, the UEFA Euro. Even though he was injured in the final, he cheered his team from the sidelines, inspiring them to victory. In 2018, Ronaldo moved to Juventus, an Italian football club. He continued breaking records and winning trophies. After 3 successful years in Italy, Ronaldo returned to Manchester United in 2021, much to the joy of his fans. Outside of football, Ronaldo is a loving father and a generous person. He donates to charities, helps children in need, and supports families who face hardships. He believes in using his success to make the world a better place. Cristiano Ronaldo's life teaches us that hard work, determination, and never giving up can make dreams come true. From a small boy playing with a sock ball in Madeira to becoming one of the greatest players in football history, Ronaldo's story is truly inspiring. Thank you for listening, and remember, dream big, work hard, and anything is possible.